Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we will discuss the concept of reciprocity theorem. The statement of reciprocity theorem is, in a linear, passive and bilateral network, the response to excitation ratio is constant even after interchanging the input to output terminal. So, in this statement, we observe that in a linear, passive and bilateral, it means the necessary condition to apply reciprocity theorem is linearity, passive and bilateral. So in a linear, passive and bilateral network, the response to excitation ratio is constant even after interchanging the input to output terminals. Okay, so we can understand it as, suppose this is a linear, passive and bilateral network, and here voltage V is applied, and the at output here it is current I in this direction. Then for the same network, if we apply voltage at this output, then in that case current here at input is like this. So this is basically reciprocity theorem. So if we take some practical circuit, see, this is a 10 volt source, this is 4 ohm resistance, and these two are 12 ohm resistance, suppose. Okay, so if we apply 10 volt here, then the current in this circuit is equals to, here 12 by 12 in parallel with 12 is 6 ohm, and 6 in series with 4 is 10. So the here current is 10 by 10, that is 1 ampere. Okay, so what is current here? That is 0.5, and here current is 0.5. Suppose what I do, if I replace this voltage source from input to output, this is 4 ohm. Okay, if I put this voltage source here, okay, and instead of applying 10 volt here, I apply the 10 volt source either here, then what happens? Then here if you find the current, then current in this branch, okay, this is 12 ohm, current in this branch is again 0.5 here. It means if I shift this voltage source here in this branch, then current in this branch is shifted to this branch. So this is the concept of reciprocity theorem.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.